As we reported earlier, WA's frontline police officers will have their uniforms fitted with body cameras from next year. The devices will record arrests and the events leading up to a bust. So what does it mean for your rights and the rights of police? Criminal lawyer Siobhan Nims from HHG Legal joins us now. Hi, Siobhan.
Hi, how are you?
What kind of impact will body cameras, or body-worn cameras, I should say, have on the courts?
Look, I think it's going to make the evidence before the courts more reliable. I think the courts are going to have to rely less on imperfect memories and perhaps the biased perceptions of witnesses moving forward.
All right, do you think this will result in more or less convictions?
Look, I don't know that there is going to be any increase or reduction in convictions. I think the point not to miss is that the convictions that we do secure are going to be far more reliable. I think we're going to see less appeals, and I think we're going to see less miscarriages of justice arising.
OK. What about from the police side of things? The union has been calling for this, but should officers have any legal concerns?
Look, I think there will always be some individuals in WA Police and indeed in any organisation that are resistant to change. There was a pilot program undertaken in 2016. It didn't demonstrate any reduction in assaults on police, but I think that as this becomes more widespread, it becomes the norm, there's increased public perception, more people are going to be thinking twice, I think, before assaulting police officers.
Okay. Well, what do you say to those who are concerned about this move?
Look, I mean, this is not too different from the position 15 or 20 years ago when WA Police were compelled to start video recording police interviews with suspects. That completely revolutionised the way police interviewed suspects. If there was any query about the integrity of the police interview, it was far more easily resolved, and I think we're going to see a similar trend with respect to body-worn cameras.
We'll see what happens once it's rolled out next year. Siobhan, thank you very much for your time.
It's a pleasure.